Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous part of the matplotlib series, we were talking about the title and axis labels. Today, let's see how to add a legend to the graph. If there are multiple lines on a graph, it's easy to lose track of them. That's why a legend comes in handy. It displays each line along with a label. We already created a legend in one of the first parts of this series. Here's the example again. So here we have the imports, our x values, then we have three functions, like so. Here's the figure and axis, the plots, then we add the names of the two axes, so we use the setX label and setY label methods like in the previous part of the series, and then we add the legend. It's very simple to do. We just use the legend method. Now, if you run this code, you will see the following. Here's our graph. Here we have the three functions, y1, y2, y3, plotted on the same axis, and here's a legend, which tells us which line represents which function. Now, as you can see, to get this, all we need to do is to specify the labels in the code. And now, as you might suspect, we can tweak the legend a little using some parameters. First of all, we can decide where exactly the legend should appear. To this end, we can use the log parameter. Here you can see the values we use with this parameter, both string and numerical ones. So, for example, if you set 0 or best, you will get the optimal position for the legend. If you set log equals 4 or log equals lower right, you will get the legend at this position. Log 10 or log centers the legend, and so on. And now have a look over here. Here we have our plots, and now we want the legend to be in the lower left corner, so we set the legend log parameter to 3. 3 means lower left. And let's see how it works. As you can see, now the legend is over here in the lower left corner. How about center right? Here, the log parameter must be set to 7. 7 is center right. And the legend is centered vertically on the right horizontally. Now the elements in the legend are by default positioned in one column. You can use the encol parameter to change the number of columns. So let's use 2 columns instead. Encol equals 2. And now we get this. We can see 2 columns in the legend. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.